right. So our phone, I have to improvise. Since in Second question, it's how many kilometers are between Imaluti and Matatiele?
120.
Joe. No, it's a weird.
120 kilometers.
Yeah.
At what point does this make any sense? At what point?
It doesn't make it.
At what point do you think?
120 kilometers.
120 kilometers.
Sorry.
Hey. Hey, so clear camera when you shake on the one. Hi guys, it's a whippy. It's a whippy. No. It's 11.3 kilometers. Now you know.